My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another video. I have brought to you this beautiful and elegant eye look that you can pull off this Raksha Bandhan. Now when I think of festive makeups, I want to keep it really simple and glam. So I have created this look that is so easy to create even if you're a beginner. It's not too bold, but it's not that simple. So let's not waste any more time and quickly get into the video.
So I have already moisturized my eyes and I'm moving on to the concealer. I'm using this Lakme Absolute Concealer. It's a very good concealer with a very good coverage. And I'll apply it all over my lid. The reason why I'm doing my eyes first is because the fallout really messes up with my makeup. So I'd suggest you do that as well. Then I'm gonna blend it with a beauty blender. Please be very gentle with your eyes. Next I'm gonna set the concealer with a powder. I'm using a translucent powder. You can use a compact or a translucent powder, that completely depends on you. So we're gonna dab the powder on our eyes. Setting your eyes with a powder makes it easy to blend the eyeshadows. Then I'm moving on to my brows. I'm using a powder product. This is a black shade from my favorite Makeup Revolution palette. You've seen me using this palette in all my videos. I'm gonna fill the tail darker. This is exactly how I do my brows every single day. I do not like using a cream product for my brows. Then I'm gonna brush the front section with a spoolie. I'd suggest you do that to give more natural look to your brows. Next I'm gonna take this brown transition shade from NYX contour palette. Now this is actually a contouring shade, but I'm using it as a transition shade. You can use any brown shade, be it a contour or eyeshadow, doesn't really matter. You can use it as a transition shade. Now the reason why I like to use the transition shade is because it gives a depth to your eyes. And it looks really pretty when you have a transition shade on, so I would suggest you do that. Now I'm gonna blend it in. Take as much time as you want while blending it, because a blended eyeshadow looks beautiful. Next I'm taking this orange shade from the Swiss Beauty palette. Now this palette is a very versatile and very beautiful palette. It has a lot of shades that you can use. Then I'll take this red shade and I'll apply a little bit on the outer part of my eyes. You can build the intensity. I've already reviewed this palette. You can check it out. I'll mention it in the iCard above. Now I'm moving on to these beautiful highlighting shades. One is the champagne color and another one is a white highlighting shade. And I'll apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. I'll blend both of these colors together so that it does not make a harsh line. You guys can see how beautiful this looks. This is a very soft look. You can wear it at the daytime or the night time, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna do my eyeliner behind the camera. And now we're moving on to this pink eyeshadow. Now this is a very neon kind of a color and I love it. It just pops my eyes a lot, so I love using a neon color on my waterline. Then I'm gonna highlight the inner corner as well as the brow bone. Add a mascara of your choice. I'm using Insights mascara. If you want to know how I did the full face of makeup, then you can check out my previous video. I'll put it in the iCard above. You can click on that. Then I'm moving on to the lipstick. I'm using this beautiful red maroon kind of a lipstick from Lakme. It's called Red Rust. Now add the jewelry of your choice and we're done.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, then please hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the little notification bell over there so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.